Hey guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Brian.
And welcome to our channel, The Screaming Pugs. Okay, so today we are making banana bread. Insert like banana theme song.
Bananas in pajamas.
Yes. I loved that show when I was younger. I have no idea what it was about, but I loved
I
it.
think I was too old for it already, but
Yeah,
I know what it is.
I think I was like... I wasn't in school yet at that stage. But okay, back to the actual video. We're making banana bread. South African style banana bread. Easy banana bread. Like, I looked at other recipes and they sucked. Like, I don't want to like import a cow to make this, okay?
Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so we'll need the following. We'll need flour, sugar, obviously bananas, your eggs, you need your baking powder, your vanilla essence, salt and butter.
Easy peasy.
Okay guys, remember to preheat your oven to 180 degrees also. Don't be like us and forget.
We always forget.
So this is our melted butter.
Yeah, you're not supposed to melt it, but we're in the middle of winter, so it's kind of difficult to wait for it until it gets soft. But like soft room temperature butter is fine.
So I'm gonna add my sugar to this.
Little by little. He hasn't done this before and I hate this technique, so he better enjoy it. That's enough, that's enough.
Okay, now to whisk it. If it's on.
Like I said, he has never done this method before. And I hated doing it in school because you pretty much need to have the world's patience.
So we're going to add some more sugar now.
This is definitely not the right method. Like, it doesn't look like it should at all. But it's gonna taste good, so that's all I care about. Okay, next step, we're gonna add a teaspoon of your vanilla essence to the mix and blend again. Okay, so the next wet ingredient would be our eggs. So we're just gonna add them in one by one. I always do this because it's not Brian's strong suit. Okay, you can mix that one.
Oh, one at a time. Yep. Get out of the way.
I'm hoping you guys can hear us over this blender because it's so loud. Okay. Okay, so this is starting to look more like we want it. So on to the next step. Okay, so the next step would be to add all the dry ingredients together. So that's 2 cups flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt.
Okay, now it's time to mash your bananas. I'm just gonna go for it.
You basically need like a cup and a half to 2 cups of mashed bananas, so just go for it.
One smash.
We usually do this when we buy too many bananas and it's like starting to turn black and it's like, okay, time to make banana bread. He's like mashing it all over the place here. Like, you have to move the camera.
My bad. Getting really into this.
This is actually the only way I can eat banana, interestingly enough. I'm allergic to banana, so I can't eat it raw, but I can eat it cooked. So if you put it in something like banana bread, I can actually have it. Yeah, if I eat it, it gives me like horrible heartburn that doesn't want to go away no matter what you drink, and you kind of sit with that for a day. So not the most fun thing.
Well, it's better than gas.
Well, it kind of goes hand in hand. Yeah, I won't die if I eat too many bananas, but it's not a fun experience. Okay, I think that's mashed enough. Okay, so the next and pretty much almost the last step is to add all the dry ingredients to your butter, sugar, eggy mix. See, this is what I'm saying it's cold, like the butter's getting hard again. Okay. Mix that. Okay, and then I'm gonna add in the bananas to kind of help me out here because this stuff is tough right now. Really love banana bread. I'm really excited for this.
Same, yeah. But I'm always excited for dessert.
Yeah, it's not really a dessert. It can be healthy. You can actually replace the flour, or like half of the flour, I think, with whole wheat flour or something for a healthier alternative. Fun fact, we're not doing it, but fun fact.
You can do it.
It's always the thing, it's just like bread, so it's kind of a dough, but it's not a dough, so it's so tough. And like I said, it's winter, so everything is kind of extra hard here. Okay, on to the final step. Okay, so we're gonna line this with wax paper because I have horrible luck of things sticking inside, and I don't have my silicone bread pan with me at the moment. It's somewhere in a box, so we're just gonna use some wax paper and try and make a neat bread, so bear with, guys.
I'll keep it for you.
Yeah, thank you. Should take care of it once it's in there. Okay, let me just do that. Then it'll hold everything in place. You don't have to stand there. And actually, with wax paper, it's not gonna come out perfect necessarily, so yeah. If you can get a non-stick pan, we don't have cooking spray either at the moment, so we're all out of things.
Yeah, it's locked down here and it's difficult to go and buy.
And you don't think about everything when you're at the store, you just try and get out as fast as possible. And buy candy.
Yeah, candy is really important.
We're distracted by like bread loaves this morning. So everything had garlic on it. And peppers. So just another fun fact, you can actually put pecan nuts in here as well, but we never do, so I'm not going to now. I prefer it plain. I hate biting into stuff when I'm eating bread. Kinda wanna...
It smells delicious from here.
Pisangbröd.
Pisangbröd.
That will settle. Okay, so then we're gonna put this in the oven for 1 hour. We'll see you after the hour.
Okay guys, time to take it out of the oven. Let's see what we have here. Oh, yo!
It's been smelling so good for the past half an hour.
Look at this.
That's like banana loaf, like.
That's what you want.
We usually have these super tiny ones. Just look at this beast.
It's like banana breadzilla.
Yes. Okay, so we're just gonna leave this so that it cools down a little bit, and then we're here for the taste testing.
Okay guys, it's that time of the video. Here's our delicious banana cake. Look at it.
I am looking forward to this very much.
I'm gonna cut us both a piece. I love the crust, so I'm gonna...
Yeah, it's still a little bit warm, so it is a little brittle still, but no one really cares because it's delicious.
So a piece for me. Piece for me again.
This is like this giant loaf. Like we're used to these tiny pieces of bread that you buy in store. Like I've never baked a banana cake or banana bread that's this big.
Special yeast in that one.
There's no yeast in it.
No yeast. Ah.
Baking powder, mate.
Baking powder. Potato, tomato. Let's cook that piece here there.
That's cool. We'll finish everything later. We are not picky about eating everything. Okay, so we're just gonna put a little butter on this and then we're gonna taste test.
Okay, time for the taste test.
I'm really looking forward to this. It's like super moist. I think we put maybe like one banana in too many, but I'm okay with this. Okay, I'm breaking it.
Enjoy it. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, this is good.
I can always say delicious.
Yeah. This is dinner now, I feel like. I'm okay with that. I'm not making anything else today.
I'm happy with eating it whole day. Let me get that final piece.
I put this giant piece in my mouth. And I forgot I had to like talk to a camera. Or you guys, but you know, there's a camera involved in this process if you didn't notice. Yeah, I'm glad it's such a giant loaf because that means like we can get to eat more. So this is really good, guys. I would really recommend making this. Throw as many bananas in there as you want. It's cool. Yeah.
Oh, no, I definitely enjoy it. I'm sure when your dad gets home, he's gonna enjoy it also.
Yeah, my dad's gonna...
He loves desserts.
Eat everything.
But thank you guys for watching. And please drop us a comment below, a like if you like the video. And also, please subscribe to us. We have a goal this month for how many viewers?
We would really like to like reach 100 subscribers. Yeah, at the end of June.
So please help us to get our goal for 100 views. 100 subs.
Yeah, it's getting late, can you tell? Yeah, thank you guys for watching. We always appreciate all the views, and yeah, try this out. Let us know, how do you eat banana bread in your country? Do you eat banana bread in your country? Is it just us who put fruit and stuff? Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye.